Picture this. A country of over 1 billion people, hungry for sporting glory, yearns for a champion. And then, from the dusty courts of Hyderabad, a young girl emerges, racket in hand, with a dream as vast as the sky. This isn't just a story about tennis. It's a saga of breaking barriers, defying expectations, and rewriting history. Welcome to the world of Sania Mirza and her incredible journey, laid bare in her captivating autobiography, Ace Against Odds. Get ready to dive into a narrative that's far more than serves and volleys. It's about sheer grit, unyielding spirit, and the heart of a true champion. Trust me, you'll want to read this one. Ace Against Odds is the raw, authentic autobiography of Sania Mirza, undoubtedly one of India's most iconic and successful tennis players. Co-written with her father, Imran Mirza, and the insightful sports journalist Shivani Gupta, this powerful book chronicles her astonishing ascent from a determined young girl in Hyderabad to a celebrated 6-time Grand Slam champion and a revered world #1 in women's doubles. It's a journey that few could have predicted, particularly from a nation where world-class tennis infrastructure was, for a long time, nothing but a distant dream. The narrative vividly emphasizes how Sania beat immense odds to reach the pinnacle of her sport. Can you imagine the challenges? What truly sets this autobiography apart is Sania's remarkable honesty and vulnerability. She doesn't shy away from sharing the brutal realities and glorious triumphs that defined her career. You'll get an intimate look at the excruciating physical pain of medical procedures, the immense mental fortitude required to return to the court after crushing setbacks, and the often unseen politics that exist within the highest echelons of professional sports. Yet, amidst these significant challenges, the book beautifully celebrates her monumental successes. From the exhilarating thrill of raising Grand Slam trophies to the historic and almost unbelievable streak of 41 consecutive wins she achieved with her legendary doubles partner, Martina Hingis. Each victory is a testament to her unwavering spirit and her remarkable ability to bounce back, stronger and more determined than ever before. Beyond the competitive boundaries of the tennis courts, Ace Against Odds offers a rare and candid glimpse into the unique pressures of being a celebrated public figure in a country as passionate as India. Sania bravely addresses the relentless media scrutiny she faced, the often unwarranted criticism leveled at her, and the very personal battles she fought off-court. This includes addressing controversies surrounding her choices, her attire, and even her much-discussed marriage to Pakistani cricketer Shoaib Malik. Her voice resonates with an authenticity that provides crucial insight into the extraordinary resilience needed to maintain one's identity, focus, and sanity amidst the relentless public gaze and the constant chatter. At its very core, this book is a powerful narrative of ambition, immense sacrifice, and the profound, unwavering impact of family support. It consistently underscores the pivotal role her father played, not just as a coach and mentor, but as an unwavering pillar of encouragement and guidance throughout her extraordinary journey. He was there every step of the way, believing in her dreams even when the path seemed impossible. Ultimately, Ace Against Odds is far more than just a tennis story. It's a universal tale of overcoming seemingly insurmountable adversity, defying all expectations, and forging your own unique path to greatness. If you're seeking a powerful dose of inspiration, a genuine and unfiltered look behind the curtain of professional sports, and a truly engaging story of triumph against all odds, this book is an absolute must-read. It will undoubtedly leave you cheering for the champion Sania Mirza truly is, long after you've turned the final page. Are you ready to discover what it truly takes to be an ace, both on and off the court?